Stock market crash, pension disaster. Well, let's have a look at some of the data before people start getting panicked. That's the S&P 500. What they're talking about is that, and that's about it. Yeah, I know. Not much to see. I'm speaking to you before US market open on Wednesday, the 15th of October. And, well, the excitement seems a little bit overdone, doesn't it? Now, that's not to say the market isn't overbought. It isn't to say it's not overvalued. But here's the trick. If you exit everything prematurely and you think it's a binary decision between being all in and all out, then what you're actually saying to yourself without realizing it is that you're looking to try and call market tops and market bottoms. Now, the most professional, successful fund managers in the world don't try and do that. So if that's not what you're meant to be doing, then the decision you've got to make today is, do you continue holding or do you sell some? That's it. Okay? And if you're feeling uncomfortable, then selling some comes at a price that you might have to buy back more expensive later. Otherwise, today you don't need to make a decision. And you wait and wait. Well, what are you waiting for? What are you looking for? I'm going to, in a future video, explain to you why what I found more useful than any bank analyst, than any research, than any political or economic commentator, and I have a master's degree in politics and economics. What I found most useful is what I'm showing you here, and I'll put that into a separate educational video on there. So make sure you like and follow to have a look at that. Okay, thank you very much.